Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I attempted to go to High Bridge this morning, but it was flooded out. I couldn't get to it. So I'm back here at the 100 bridge, and that water looks like it's a ripping. So I'm going to attempt to do a couple of casts for shits and giggles, and we'll see what happens. I can't bring the camera there, unfortunately. There's nothing for me to clamp the GoPro to, so we'll see what happens. All right. Well, guys, I was able to make a few casts. I don't know if you could hear me. That wind is a hoofing, I'll tell you. The High Bridge was a bust. It was flooded. So now I'm down at the 100 bridge. That's where I made some casts at the light on the east side. But with this wind, it eventually, my voodoo succumbed to the light. And so I lost it. So, but this is what it's doing. I don't know if you can see that. And supposedly with this guy that it has money, he has a Tesla and a Harley. He parks down here. As you can see, I don't know, yeah, you can probably see it. The Harley's sitting there, you know, he just don't care. I guess when you got money, you really don't care, you know. But the boat ramp's closed off. They got a rope going to it. They finally put a railing up around the edge. I wonder if somebody fell off onto the walkway that's on the side over there. I don't know, but yeah, they put a railing up. You can see how high the water is. Normally you walk down this pretty far over. I did see some needlefish. I tried to fish over at the boat ramp over there, and yeah, looks like you can almost see my voodoo hanging right in the middle of the words there. It says minimum clearance. I don't know if you can see it, but somebody with a kayak will get it. Good for them. So, yeah, you see it's all the way up here to the bridge. Woo, doggy. Yeah, it's way up. I guess the alligator's going to be hiding today. Of course, I never saw one here at 100 Bridge, but this is way high. Alright, I'm going to see if there's some sort of coffee place is open, and I'll continue the video at the house throughout the day of how the storm's going. Shame fishing was a bust. I really wanted to get one, but it is what it is. Well, I guess the price you pay for living on the intercoastal waterway. Holy crap. Wow. There's the intercoastal waterway out there by that blue. Wow. Oh yeah, it's on this side too. So it crossed the road. He's boating in his backyard. Again, on this side too. Oh, there's an armadillo. Cute little bugger. Don't even look like this boat's even on a trailer. But it is. Whew, that's pretty deep over there. Here's some still coming out onto the road. Look at that, that's a 4-foot fence. Look, straight out. And the intercoastal waterway is back there. You'd never know it. Wow. Again, there's a boathouse there, and here's the intercoastal waterway. Oh, wow. Damn! Tried to block off his garage so nothing went in it. But I guess these people are used to it, really. One thing, there's no basements in these houses, so. Well, he's pretty high and dry over there. Ooh-wee. Golly, Sergeant Carter. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, we're going to another spot. I've fished here many times too. So, a car behind me. Waterfront Park. Let's see what it looks like over here. A lot of cars, that's for sure. Some crazy ass is out in the boat. Looks like the water's almost to the bottom of the dock. Never seen it up this high. There's that mansion. Wow. His boat dock is completely underwater. Remember they had a little spot where they can have lunch or dinner and stuff like that. Remember that?